How to get back reels to your Instagram profile grid that you have hidden previously. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can get back reels to your profile grid on Instagram. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now let me of course describe to you what the issue is. The issue over here seems to be that if I open up Instagram, come to my profile page, here you can see three tabs. One is my profile grid tab, the other is the reel tab, the other is the tagging tab. So in my reels tab, I have the specific video of this, right? Which I hid it from my profile grid. Now this is a video that was posted to my Instagram account, but it only shows up on my reels because I hid it from my profile grid, because as you can see in the profile grid I do not have that video. So what I want to do is I want to get back this video that I hid from my profile grid from my reels tab back into my profile grid. So how do we do that? Well, in order to do that, first of all, just go to the reels tab, open up that specific reel over here. Once you open up the specific reel, just tap on the three dots icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the three dots icon, here you'll find the trash icon that says delete. Now do not worry, I'm only asking you to delete it because we are going to restore it later on. You're not going to lose your likes and you're certainly not going to lose your comments as well. Just tap the delete button and trust me on this one, and confirm the option by tapping on the delete button again. Now once we've deleted this specific reel, we're just going to come back to the profile page over here, and the reel has been deleted both from our profile grid as well as our reels tab. Now what we're going to do is just tap the three lines icon which is at the top right hand side of our profile screen. And then here you simply want to go over to your activity. Once you go over to your activity, if you scroll down to the bottom, here you'll find a trash icon that says recently deleted. So all you need to do is just select recently deleted. And then right over here, you'll be able to see the reel that we deleted even from the reels tab. So we're going to tap on that reel over here basically for once. Once we tap on the reel, what we're going to do is we're going to restore this video. So just tap the three dots icon from the bottom right again. Choose the option called restore. Do not tap on delete even mistakenly, because that is going to delete the video for good. So you carefully want to just tap on restore, and it'll ask you for a confirmation. Tap on restore. Now the video has been restored. Now the reason I'm telling you to do this is because the magic here is that when you delete it and then restore it again, the reel is actually going to get back to your profile grid again. Now if it doesn't load up, then I just recommend you to close Instagram. Now go ahead and then open it up again. Come to your profile page, and then right over here you'll be able to see the video in our profile grid that were not in our profile grid earlier. That was only in the reels tab. It has been restored to your reels, and then it has been moved back to our profile grid. So the trick is basically to delete the reels even from the reels tab. Go to your recently deleted, restore it, and the reel will be moved back to your main profile grid. Hope this video helped you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.